If you've ever lost your wireless keyboard's USB receiver or bought a used one without the dongle, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to connect any Bluetooth wireless keyboard to your Windows PC without a USB receiver. It's simple, fast, and works for most brands including Logitech. Let's jump right in. First things first, power on your keyboard. Check the back or sides for a power switch. Some models turn on automatically, but many have a slider or toggle. If your keyboard supports Bluetooth, it may also have a dedicated BT or pairing button. For popular models like Logitech, press and hold the pairing button until the LED begins blinking. That blinking light means your keyboard is now in pairing mode and ready to be detected. Now that the keyboard is discoverable, let's move to your PC. On your Windows computer, click the Start button, go to Settings, and then open Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, click Add Device, then select Bluetooth. Your PC will begin scanning for nearby devices automatically. When your keyboard's name appears on the list, click it. Within a few seconds, Windows should start the pairing process. For many keyboards, the connection is instant, but sometimes Windows will show a pairing code on the screen. If you see a number pop up, simply type that exact code on your keyboard and press enter. This step confirms the connection and ensures you're pairing the correct device, especially useful if you're in a space with multiple Bluetooth gadgets. Once connected, your keyboard is ready to use. You can now type normally, and Windows will remember it for future sessions. No dongle needed. And that's it. Your wireless keyboard is now connected without a USB receiver. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.